So in this very short video, after I finish the FND base for the second Armored Division, I noticed that there was a bunker out here that had some items in it we need to get to. Thought you might like to see how to get into that one. So here to the side of it, there's a bunker. We have the bunker key from taking back this base. Now we can get into here and take back everything that's stored in here. There's the way around. And there is a weapons case so you can get a weapon from it. Anything else good in here? Now, I've already gotten that weapon, so it does not appear. So hopefully when you get it, you may need that weapon. If you don't like finding that door, also get to it from inside the building. Here's the ladder up into the garage. So this is inside the there's a door. So here's another doorway to get into it. Show you basically where we are. Just outside. Back here. I also discovered that there is a door over here. It also takes us down into this area. So then from there we can head into it as well. Your choice of how you get here, multiple ways, but overall, it's a way to get into that bunker. Hope this short video helps.